Hey, I want to welcome you to one of the most exciting times of the year, and that is the announcement of our autumn knit along, or for any of those of you looking from the US or that side of the world, our fall knit along. And it's particularly exciting, I think, because of the fact that a lot of people slow down their knitting in the summer because the weather's fine. You might be outdoors gardening or at the beach, and it's just too warm to comfortably knit in warmer yarns. So once the autumn hits, it's just extra exciting to get back into knitting sweaters for ourselves, or perhaps for someone you really like a lot. So I want to introduce you to our autumn knit along, and it's Brutach is the name of the one that we're going to be knitting this year. Anyone who has previously partaken in our knit alongs, you'll know how it goes, how this is on pre-sale initially, and you'll get an information PDF, and then each section of the pattern will be released in a series of clues with a small section together. But the fun part about the knit along is, as well obviously as the pattern, is you'll get video backup, so all of the techniques will be shown as you go along. So if the techniques in this sweater are new to you, you're going to have some video workshops to work your way through. When you are taking part in the knit along, all of the videos are going to be part of the actual knit along, so they come free with the knit along and they're going to be yours to keep. However, if you wait and you get it afterwards, the workshop will then be a separate product. So it's well worth your while jumping in at the start of the knit along, even if you don't knit it straight away. Now, the other part, of course, that is so great is the community part of it. The fact that all these other knitters are knitting along at the same time. So you've got all of this support. You can ask questions of them. You can see people's progress. You might see people's modifications or color choices and things like that. So it's really helpful for if you're kind of sitting there trying to figure out, will I go with this color or that color? Will I add a little to the length? And to have both the visuals and also the feedback from other knitters as you're going along, so you get a feel for what might or may not work. So that's the knit along kind of in a nutshell. And now we come to the important part, which is actually introducing the sweater. So this is one of my favorite constructions because it's top-down construction. I like top-down because you can try it on as you go along, so you're much more likely to end up with a sweater that fits. It is done in a brioche knit stitch. If brioche is new to you, there is plenty of videos showing you how to actually work it, and I'll also link out to my original brioche workshop if you want to practice a little, particularly in the pre-sale period. So like initially, that's kind of how you get set up. It starts, let me turn it around, across the back shoulder here. There's a little bit of short rows. German short rows work very well in brioche, and you knit straight down to here. It's a drop shoulder construction. Then you pick up stitches and you begin working two sides of the front, and then when you join together, you start working the front panel, which is a faux cable, or I mean, it's really almost lace because it's done with increases and decreases, but the end effect looks like a faux cable. The design is a little cropped, but because it's top down, it's very straightforward to add extra repeats as you go. I know several of my testers went ahead and did that. The front of this comes down a little further than the back, so I've also added just a couple of extra rows in the back to drop it down just slightly, not really very dramatically, but just enough so that it matches with the front. Then finally, we pick up stitches from the sleeves down, and we just work in stockinette stitch. And it's kind of fun to have it in stockinette stitch after the body taking a little longer in brioche stitch, because you can just fly right through it. And you of course can make sure that it's the right length because you're knitting it for yourself from the top down. The sweater is knit in newer worsted. I'll have kits up on the website, but you can also jump in, and as you can see, this is my range of newer worsted behind here. Most of the colors are up in the kit, but I am somewhat limited in the amount I can put up there. So if there's a color you don't see, just jump over to the newer worsted and just order the newer worsted directly. I'll put a link up in the kit page as well. So come and join us for this autumn's knit along.